Hello everyone, I'm Bhavin Shah from AI Sintra. Posting consistently on LinkedIn sounds easy until you actually try doing it every day. You need ideas, content, images, captions, and by the time you're done, your whole day is gone. And this is not just a LinkedIn problem. Every industry, healthcare, real estate, B2B, SaaS, finance, is drowning in repetitive tasks. Manual work slows teams, delays growth, and burns money. That's exactly where AI Sintra steps in. We build custom AI automation flows that take your everyday tasks and turn them into self-running systems. Let me show you one flow that changed everything for a client. The client wanted to post consistently on LinkedIn without spending hours, so AI Sintra created a simple but powerful flow. It takes a topic, generates high-quality content, creates a branded image, prepares a perfect caption, adds hashtags, and then, with a little AI magic, the post auto-publishes on LinkedIn. One workflow, fully automated, daily engagement, zero effort, and the results, 10 times faster content production. Consistent posting equals higher visibility. More leads from LinkedIn, teams saved hours every week. No manual errors, no missed deadlines. In short, predictable growth with predictable efficiency. Before AI Sintra, we struggled to keep up with content. Now our LinkedIn runs on autopilot. Quality improved, engagement improved, and our team finally has time to focus on strategy instead of repetitive work. And yes, automation is powerful, but we know concerns are real. AI Sintra follows strict security practices, enterprise-grade data protection, secure API integrations, zero unauthorized data access. You stay in full control of what AI can and cannot do. And here's the best part, this is one workflow. AI Sintra can create any automation flow you need for any industry. Healthcare appointment workflows, lead nurturing for real estate, B2B sales automation, e-commerce support bots, customer onboarding, report generation, marketing automation, and hundreds more. And we're just getting started. Our roadmap includes more no-code AI builder tools, industry-specific automation templates, advanced analytics dashboards, multi-platform posting, and insights. AI Sintra is growing because your business deserves to scale without limits. If you want content, marketing, operations, or your entire business to run smarter, faster, and on autopilot. Let's build your AI flow today. Connect with AI Sintra. DM us, visit our website, or schedule a demo. AI Sintra, automation that works while you grow. Thanks for watching.